Hello, my name is Bilal Ahmed and I will be presenting you the process of designing an exoskeleton arm. Overview of today's assignment is purpose, biomechanics, hardware design, control system setup, test, and project feedback. The purpose and the goal of this project is to develop a device that can assist the user by amplifying their capacity to carry loads. Exoskeleton is a mechanism designed to aid individuals by enhancing their physical strength. It is a technology that gives disabled people a chance to live a quality life. These people could be such as wheelchair users, people who don't have limbs, and many more. The biomechanics of exoskeleton and the user. An exoskeleton system works cooperatively together with the user's joints. This system augments the effectiveness of the users in terms of joint motion and joint torque. To ensure the safety between the user and the exoskeleton, we use admittance control. Admittance, admit, admittance control is logic fed is a logic that is fed to the system, main system, control system, and from that it controls the range of motion to the point that the user is not to the point that the user does not get hurt. We consider the average range of motion for an average human is 150 degrees. Our exoskeleton will be programmed to extend only 90 degrees. That is due to the safety of the user. The hardware used in designing and manufacturing our devices are load cell, a servo motor, IMU, Arduino Uno, and 3D printed parts. The design of exoskeleton body was first designed using uh, SolidWorks software. Measurements of the forearm and the upper arm were taken to design the interfaces, and once they were done, and uh, once the CAD model was ready and it was reviewed by our professor, we were we were able to 3D print it. The control system of the exoskeleton algorithm was developed in Arduino Uno software. Microcontroller is connected to a computer. It is fed a control input from the power source. Load cell senses the load applied by the user. The motor provides a torque according to the load that is applied on the load cell. If it's below a certain range, the motor does not enact, and the exoskeleton arm does not function. The setup. The setup can be seen in the picture on the right. Once we were done with the setup, uh, once we were done with the wiring and the setup, I tested this device on my niece, and it could be seen over here. Feedback for the project. This project was very fun and hands-on, though I ran into some technical issues due to the cheap construction of the materials provided by the manufacturer. These these issues could be seen in the images on the right. Thank you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.